Hey up! Welcome to A Up Cards and Crafts. Last week I did a video using the Gina K foiling system to stamp any image you've got in your stash. In the video I said I would do one using the new Minc Cinch from We Are Makers. So let's get started. So again I'm going to use watercolour card. I'm going to use the same stamp I did in the previous video, so nothing's changed. Everything's exactly the same. So you place the card in your stamping platform. Don't forget to use your anti-static pad, because this will prepare the card for stamping and then heat embossing, because it gets rid of all the static that causes the embossing powder, to cling to parts of the card you don't want it to. Stamp the image using some Versamark embossing ink. You need to make sure there's plenty on so it gets into all the nooks and crannies. Press firmly onto the stamping platform. You need to make sure all the ink has gone onto the card. You might have to go in and re-ink the stamp, but then that's the beauty of having the stamping platform. It's so easy to do. It doesn't move or anything like that. You're going to need some clear embossing powder. I'm using this Clear Gloss Super Fine. Make sure you cover all of the stamp with the embossing powder. You might need to go in a couple of times. And if you get any stray bits, just use a brush to remove them. And then the powder that you don't use, you can put that back in the jar. So you're then going to use your heat tool. This will melt all the embossing powder, so you need to make sure it's hot. So it says in the manual that you need to press the lamination foil button 3 times. The light will start flashing red and green while it's heating up. And it says it takes approximately 5 minutes. So exactly the same as the Gina K machine, you're going to need a carrier sheet. Now this one's much bigger, as a machine can foil up to 12 by 12 piece of card, which is one of the reasons that I got it. I'm going to use the same foil I did in my last video, which is from We Are Makers, and it's a silver reactive mink foil. So if you cut the foil to the size you need, don't forget to dust your card and your foil, and then you can place it inside the carrier sheet. One thing I have noticed though is that the Minc Cinch is slower than the GK foiling system. Not by much, but I think it is still slower. So I've speeded this bit up. So when it's gone through the machine, you need to remove the card and foil from the carrier sheet. And then you need to slowly remove the foil from the card. I think that's foiled really well. I do think the lines are a bit thicker, but I think it's foiled really well. There's just a few bits at the side of the rows, but that's okay. That's because I didn't remove the bits with the brush. I just took them from the bottom, but never mind. So again, I'm going to do the same colouring. I'm going to use the aqua markers from Crafter's Companion. So put some on a sheet of acetate and then put some water on your brush. And then you'll be able to pick up some of the colour. Like I said in my last video, I don't normally colour, so I will speed this bit up too. Now to finish off the card, I'm just using a piece of mirror card as my matte layer, and we'll stick this to the front of the card base. And there you have it, using any stamp you have in your stash to foil with the new Minc Cinch from We Are Makers. If I'm honest, I don't think there's much difference between both the machines. They both hold really well. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Ta-ra!